The Travel Agents Federation of India, Western India chapter organized an innovative networking session for its members, known as Stakeholders Showcase 2024. They had partnered with the selected top DMCs, hotels, and airlines to support the event. Each partner was allocated a dedicated table for one-to-one networking sessions, which were followed by presentations, entertainment, and a raffle draw. Chairman Jay Kantawala addressed the members. He welcomed everyone to a night of innovation and partnership, expressing gratitude to the sponsors for their unwavering support which made the event possible. He acknowledged the commitment of the sponsors to Travel Agents Federation of India and its members, commending them for their dedication. Secretary Arun Iyer initiated the formal meeting proceedings, stating that they were embarking on a journey of connect, network, collaborate and prosper. He mentioned Richard Bach's quote, "Any powerful idea is absolutely fascinating or useless till we put it to use," noting the fascination of ideas coming to life as they engaged in meaningful conversations and connections.
Officially, I declare this event to be open. Thank you very much and get a great possible value for everyone. Thank you.
To deal in a small, intimate environment with half of your suppliers being TAFE members gives you a different sense of confidence and a different sense of security. A smaller environment also makes it easier for you to sit down and actually engage with people and to understand what is it that they're offering. Cooperation, the key to success. Cooperation is a combination of competition and cooperation, and that's the only way to grow.
The presentation session partners shared their products, USP and special offers for Travel Agents Federation of India members as follows. Mr. Tahir Ademwala from TripJack, Mr. Chetan Sangal from Tamarind Global, Mr. Prithvi Khetani from Global Destinations, Mr. Saurabh Deshpande and Ms. Marilyn D'Souza from Stay Alive, Mr. Sunil Menon from Tourism Fiji, Mr. Gaurav Ramachandran from the Indian Hotels Company Limited, Mr. Siddharth Jain from Chalo DMC, Ms. Alefia Singh from Iris Reps, Mr. Aniket Tavre from Air Arabia, Ms. Rachna and Mr. Sahud from TBO.com.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह भाई।
Secretary Arun Iyer delivered a heartfelt vote of thanks to the sponsors, members, and attendees, expressing gratitude for their contributions in making Stakeholders Showcase 2024 a resounding success. The success of this event has encouraged Travel Agents Federation of India Western India to host next Stakeholders Showcase every 6 months.
Very limited people. We are looking at about 120 to 140 members visiting and interacting with all the stakeholders and partners. So they'll be able to sell and understand, give knowledge about their products better.
I think we have 6 or 7 exhibitors here today, each to their unique portfolio and really interacting with the who's who of the trade.
The reason we are here is we know that TAFE is a very well respected organization, and all the agents which are coming here are all accredited.
Since they have taken this initiative, they must continue, and if not monthly, but at least once in maybe 3 months or once in 6 months, if they can call the partners and showcase a lot more products, we will be at an advantage.
If you are keen to partner and encash the networking and collaborating opportunities, connect with us today or call your committee members. Travel Agents Federation of India, the most trusted platform of travel agent community in India.